I will talk about how can you disable biometric authentication on your web app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So the or you go down, you click here on menu down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you just click here on account and security. You just click on it here. Then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on biometric authentication. You just click on it here. So then you come to this list, you come here to biometric authentication. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean biometric authentication disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.